Welcome back, everybody. This is Johnny Crypto. I'm going to show you everything you need to start investing and be successful in 2024. Okay, first thing you're going to need is an account on an exchange. There are multiple of these. My recommendation, if you're in the United States, is Coinbase. So, going to create a Coinbase account and link a bank account to this to buy crypto. All right. This is where you're going to buy any of your blue chip cryptos. We're talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Binance. We don't buy XRP here. Cardano, Ava. All good. This is where you want to buy your initial investment. Okay? Okay, next you're going to need 2 wallets. All right? Your first wallet is going to be MetaMask. Now you're going to download this Chrome extension, set up an account right here, download this MetaMask, create an account, make sure you write down your keys, okay? It's going to give you a set of keys. There's a famous saying in crypto, not your keys, not your coins, okay? Those keys are very important. Make sure you write them down in person as well as keep them somewhere on your phone. You know, anywhere where they're not compromisable, okay? You don't want anyone having access to your keys but you, all right? So that's MetaMask. And the next one you're going to want is the Phantom wallet, okay? This is what's hype right now. The reason you're going to want a Phantom wallet is for trading on the Solana chain, all right? Phantom is super, super good for all transactions on the Solana chain. I recently had an issue where I accidentally sent some Ethereum over the base chain to my Phantom wallet, and I didn't know how to fix it. I emailed their support. They are super helpful, super professional. They knew exactly how to fix my problem. I learned a lot in the process. So highly recommend you get the Phantom app if you're interested in trading on the Solana chain, okay? Now, for a large majority of you, you are only going to need Coinbase, all right? And my recommendation for blue chips for this coming bull run is going to be Solana, all right? We've already seen Solana go from $16 to $115 over the course of this year. It's been going absolutely crazy. I'm going to buy $100 worth of Solana right now. Not even a whole one. You know what? I'll buy one whole one. For the sake of the video, let's get 1 Solana, okay? After the fees, Coinbase usually charges a fee. I only get 0.96 of one. Oh well, c'est la vie. And after a little while, it's gonna pop up in your assets here. You see I have a little tiny piece of Ethereum somewhere, 0.0001 ETH. I don't keep any of my crypto on Coinbase. I keep it in my wallets. Centralized exchanges are a scam, okay? We saw with FTX, you know, they were gambling your funds. Coinbase at any time could go under, and it could be wraps. But if you keep them on a wallet, those are your keys attached to your address. They are your coins, okay? So I have 1 Solana here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to, go up here to my Phantom wallet, unlock. I'm going to get my address here, deposit, copy this address into, to this address, enter, and I'm going to send the max, send all my Solana to this wallet. I have an authenticator. Go to my phone. You're probably going to have to set up an authenticator. If you're confused on any of these parts, all right, there are tutorials all over the place for setting up any kind of account, any kind of Chrome extension with MetaMask, Phantom. It's all very easy. It's pretty intuitive. Just download, set up your accounts. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll help you out if I can. So, Yeah, you're going to need a 2FA on your Coinbase to be able to send your funds outside of it. Okay. Now it should send my Solana to my wallet. And for 90% of you, this is where it should end. Okay? The video is over for 90% of you. But if you want to get a little risky in this bull run and take a big leap, I'm going to show you a little bit more. Okay, so you just bought some Solana, and that's all there is to it. Really, if you just buy every time you have a little extra cash, every couple weeks, set up a budget for investing in this coming bull run, all 2024, you will come out ahead. All right? Just keep buying every paycheck, whatever's within your budget. Buy a little here, buy a little there. You're going to do great. All right? But if you want to get more into the strategy of investing, the strategy I'm going to be leveraging is called dollar cost averaging. Okay? So what I just did was counterintuitive to my strategy. All right? Solana is up 56% on the week. What we want is entry points where the market has been trending down for a little while. All right? Those are the best times to buy. Don't buy when this has all the hype, because it's destined for a bit of a pullback right now. All right? So you're going to want to wait until we see the market pull back maybe 8, 9, 10%, and then you're going to want to buy in. All right? And you're going to want to have a little cash set aside from your investment fund. I recommend you make a budget for investing every 2 weeks, every month, have a little cash set aside so you can get in on these good entry points. And that's going to give you the best returns over the course of the year, right? Now, the same is going to go for cashing out. And I'm going to show you how you're going to cash out on these big upswings. So usually, if it's up 56% in a week, I'm going to want to take a little bit of a profit, okay? And we're going to apply that strategy of dollar cost averaging when it goes down as our entry points to the same when it goes up as our exit points, all right? So up 56% on the week. When we see a big jump like this, this is going to be the best time that you're going to want to take a little bit of profit. So how do we do that? We're going to go back over to Coinbase, right? We're going to go to send and receive. All right, you're going to hit this receive tab. This is linked to your USDC wallet. All right, this is not where you want to send your Solana to. Okay, you're going to switch this to Solana. And this is your Solana address, right? You're going to copy this address, and then you're going to come over here to your wallet, go to Solana, and we're going to send Solana to your Coinbase address. Hit the max. If you want to pull out entirely, that's totally up to you. If you're happy with how your investment worked out, you made 60%, that's a fucking win, okay? But, I'm going to do in chunks of like 10, 15% is how I'm going to be pulling my profits on the way up. If we hit a 60% jump, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take out 0.15 out of my one Solana that I did. That's a win if I had bought a week ago. But now I got to wait till I see a good chunk of profit on this, okay? And after a pullback, this is going to take a while before I see any profit. I'm fairly confident in that. But we hit next, you hit send, it'll go to Coinbase, and then you'll cash out from Coinbase. Your Coinbase is linked to your bank account. You may have to sell your Solana for USDC, which is just a coin implementation of the US dollar. And then you'll cash out your US dollars to your bank account. And that's all there is to it. If you follow that strategy, I guarantee you'll make money in 2024, okay? Probably up until the summer of 2025, I'm hardly going to be selling anything, all right? I'm doing nothing but buying probably until summer of 2025. And yeah, I hope you're along for the journey with me. I'm going to get into a riskier set of assets that aren't technically assets. They have been deemed securities by the SEC, but that's neither here nor there. Let's get into how to do riskier plays than Solana. Okay, let's get into medium risk. So outside of these top 10, what I'm calling the blue chips, all the way to, this top 15, all right, are all pretty low risk. Aside from maybe Dogecoin, you could lose all your money really fast on Dogecoin. So I'm not a firm believer in this coin. I don't like it, but some people are into that kind of thing. So to each their own. But medium risk, and we all know I'm big on Solana right now. Let's look at Uniswap. So Uniswap is not the coin I'm going to be shilling to you at the moment. All right. This is at a $4.2 billion market cap. This is built for trading Ethereum tokens. It's a decentralized exchange where you can swap coins built on the Ethereum chain. It is currently at a $4 billion market cap with an all-time high of $43 a coin. So it's about a 6x from here to reach its all-time high. And I think we're going to see these exchange tokens go through the roof in this coming bull market, because this is where people go to exchange for the smaller stuff and really get into looking for the new projects that are coming out and investing in those. So I've always been a big believer in these exchange tokens, and they have pretty good returns. So Uniswap, not my pick. This is built on Ethereum. I'm not as bullish on Ethereum as I am Solana for this coming bull run. So what are Solana's exchanges? The first one I'm going to show you is called Orca. Now, Orca, the benefit of Orca is you can just buy this directly on Coinbase. No issues there. But in the United States, you can't use the Orca exchange. Okay, it is banned in the United States. So I think, myself personally, I won't be investing in Orca, but I don't think it's a bad choice. And look, a 380 million market cap, if we see it go anywhere near Uniswap's market cap, that's a 10x, right? If we look at the all-time chart, if it goes back to its all-time high, it's only a 2x from where it's at right now. So this one's not my main pick. Now I'm going to go to my main pick, okay? My main pick for medium risk assets is going to be Radium, all right? We're looking at a $400 million market cap right now. Tons of people are using Radium right now, and I'm going to show you why. It's at $1.67 a coin. If we go to the all-time chart, its high was about 1648. You're looking at about a 14x from where it's at right now to go back to its all-time high. I think we could see this go to an $8 or $9 billion market cap. That's a 20x on your investment, okay? And look, you're down here right now. We're just getting started, right? This is looking very juicy to me. This little thing is just a straight up buy signal in my book. Okay, so how do we buy some Radium? We're going to go over here to its website, radium.io, and you're going to launch the app. All right, and then you're going to connect your wallet. It should automatically detect whatever kind of wallet you have, MetaMask, whatever. I go to my Phantom wallet. That's where I set my Solana to earlier. And it's just going to link it and show all my funds that are in there, yada, yada. I'm going to hit max, and I'm going to buy just about 62 Radium right now. Swap it. Transaction expired because I was doing this earlier. This is my second take. So 62.15. Look at this network fee. This is the key to why I'm saying these Solana exchanges are awesome. Everybody wants to be trading shitcoins right now, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Those are the high-risk assets, the high-risk securities that you could invest in. And you pay almost nothing, 0.0002 Sol for a network fee. Okay, that is nothing. You probably heard that trading on the Ethereum network, a trade of $100, you're paying like a $40 gas fee right now, plus the exchange fee of the network. It is insane to do that. So I'm gonna just do that swap, buy me some radium. I'll do videos in the future about why Ethereum gas fees are so high, and all kinds of other things. I really want to get into the tech of crypto and break stuff down and do tutorials. For now, we have bought our medium risk asset. I'm going to hold these till probably summer of 2025, like I said earlier. We'll see how it goes. $100. I'll probably end up buying some more too. I really like this coin. Look at how nice and just easy to use. The user interface is so clean and perfect. Radium's a fucking solid pick for the coming year. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a blast creating this YouTube channel. In the next video, I'm going to be breaking down the higher risk and higher reward investments that you can make on all the different chains, from the stuff on Ethereum to the Solana coins that are super popular. I'm calling it the Solana Casino right now. It's kind of wild. Yeah, I'm going to be changing my format pretty soon. I'm going to be doing more YouTube shorts and TikTok style, no more 20-minute videos. I just wanted to make this one to get people involved and help you get started, So thank you so much again. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.